Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I am simply marvelous 4. Welcome, happy new year, guys. I have a unit that I bought. Y'all know the routine. This is not sponsored. I got a unit that I got from Jesse's Selection. It's come in this lovely box. And we are going to style her, put her on, and see what she do. So, I have her in a 12-inch, I got my notes over here, a 12-inch 13 by 5 4 by 4 straight human hair bob wig. So we're going to style her. I'm going to style her, not we. And it comes in this lovely bag. I'll get to that in a minute. I got a wig cap, maintenance, instructions, thank you for your purchase, mink lashes, which I don't wear. I will be giving these away. I can't wear them. They're too big for me in my glasses. So I'll put that in my giveaway box. Okay. There's your 4 by 4. And your adjustable straps. And a comb in the back. And this is what it looks like on my skin. See what it looks like with the baby hair. Not baby hair. It's a little plucked. Not much. But I don't know if you guys can see this. And see how it'll fit on my head first, and then I will tint it. I don't do any bleaching on my channel. I can't stand the smell. It will knock me out, and nobody here to call 911. I can't stand the smell. I did that one time and it nearly knocked me out, seriously. All right, I have a little, there's enough room. I like to put elastic bands on my wig. And I didn't wash it, so we're gonna do what it do. You even got a flip. Let me see if I can tint it with the spray. And you can wear this glueless. I'm not gonna glue it down because I have another unit to do, so I'm not gonna glue it down. It would be nice. Yeah, this thing right here is so big. I took it behind my ears. You can have it straight, or you can have it curly, or however you want to do it. I'm just gonna throw some curls in it. I feel like I'm gonna be a curly girl. It's not shedding. It's not tangling. No shedding. And you guys, make sure you wash your wigs. I didn't wash mine. Wash your wigs. And the reason why I didn't wash this one because I got many other ones that I needed to do, but normally I wash my wigs. So get in the habit of washing your wigs, ladies and gents. Wash them wigs. It's really soft. Look, it's not wearing out. I don't know what that was. Yeah, some got caught. What is this? Oh, the thread. Right there. Yeah, see that? Just take your scissors and just cut it out. Okay, ladies. Okay. This is the end of the video. I have no shedding, no tangling. I got a little snag over here. It was soft, manageable. Look like it's kind of holding the curl, but my curls are not tight. So, would you buy it? I probably would buy it again. Maybe. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give it a 9. That's my point of view. But I'm gonna give you guys a 360 of this little baby here. Oh, y'all see me right there? Y'all can't see me. Y'all see me? Pow! Y'all like that? And this falls right at me, right there on my shoulders. And it's not too heavy, it's not too thick. And it's just right for me because I don't like all that hair. So I will leave all the information in the box, in the description box below for you all to purchase it if you so desire. Let's talk about it. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, and keep watching, guys, because we got more content. Like I told you, we got more videos. Till next time, I thank you all for sticking with me. Peace. Thank you.